Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the unbalanced transportation problem. Now let's consider this table here. All right. Now we can see that the total supply from the factories is 600 units, but the total demand from the warehouses is actually 650. So we have supply less than demand, and supply is short of 50. Okay, so how do we solve this problem so that the table, the transportation table, is balanced again? So the method is very easy. What we do is we're going to add a row, all right, like this. Add a row and call it dummy, and then just add the extra 50 that the supply has to increase, okay, so that the total now becomes 650, which equals the total demand. And then the cost for each dummy column or dummy row is 0, right? Dummy here means a fake factory, right? We don't have the factory, so we just call it a dummy, and dummy is supposed to produce 50 units. All right. And then the next thing is we just solve the initial table as before, all right, using the least cost method, and get the initial solution. After that, we apply the MODI method. Now, when we want to start filling in the cells to make the initial solution, we forget about the dummy row first. Okay, even though the cost is 0, but the dummy actually, it doesn't exist. This factory doesn't exist, so we consider this row as the last. So we do the same as before. Take the smallest cell with the least cost, okay, the smallest cost, the cell with the least cost, put everything inside first, and then go to the next least cost cell, and lastly the dummy will receive 50 in the row. So the next step is to calculate the row cost, R1, R2, R3, and R4. Okay, now we have the fourth column, R4. And then still 3 columns, so K1, K2, and K3. And after you've got the row cost and the column cost, just calculate the improvement index for the empty cells as before. Okay, so that's it.